Hey, what's going on, guys? Okay, so here's the deal. A lot of you guys have been asking me about this bag. I just got this new Vinta Type 2 series bag. It's a camera bag, it's a weekend bag, it's awesome, and I've been meaning to do like a full review for you guys on it and haven't been able to. Also, I leave for the airport in like 3 hours and I'm going to be spending the next like 4-ish days in Argentina, in Buenos Aires. And so I thought this is the perfect opportunity to kind of take the bag with me on the road, film a little bit of a review, let you guys see what it's like to travel with. I'll be using it mostly as a camera bag. So I have a lot to do right now. I'm very hungry, my wife is very hungry. We have not eaten all day, and I also haven't packed like at all. So I'm gonna do all of that. We're gonna get to the airport. I'm gonna take you guys with me on this incredible trip to Argentina, and hopefully we'll get a great review and find out if this bag is a keeper or a stinker. Let's do it. Hey, quick little break here to show you how embarrassing my passport photo is. Yeah, I don't know if that qualifies as a glow up or if I was just really bad looking before. Alright, and quickest packing sesh ever. Please, if you're leaving the country, if you're leaving the continent, don't pack in 30 minutes. It's stupid. I think I'm gonna forget a whole bunch of stuff. But real quick, I wanna tell you about this bag. So Vinta, to make these incredible little camera bags. Right now, what I have in there, right, is my laptop, Sony a6500 with a Sigma 16mm lens, another 30mm lens. I'll strap a full tripod to it. I also have the GorillaPod, chargers for my laptop, batteries, SD cards, extra chargers, cables, headphones. It's got 2 great little side pockets. One of those is gonna have my passport and the other one has my AirPods, because you gotta have your AirPods. And inside it has a little compartment, a little bag that you can use for batteries or cables or as like a toiletries bag. I've actually taken that out and I put that in my suitcase, and that's my toiletries bag for a weekend. This is the Vinta Type 2 matte black travel backpack. Try saying that 5 times really fast. Super pumped to see how it holds up for the weekend. So after like 3 gate changes, not sure if y'all can see me very well. After like 3 gate changes and a whole lot of really angry TSA agents, God bless you for the work that you do, by the way. We're here, we're getting ready. Tomorrow when I land, I think I've got a day off before I have to get into any of the work and stuff like that that I need to do. I'll just kind of be running around Buenos Aires with this bag, filming, doing some fun things like that, and we'll see how it holds up.
Bright sneakers on, getting ready for a flashback. Time keeps moving on, looking at you feeling like I could never get enough of you. And
I'm tired, I didn't sleep on the plane, but I'm gonna drop my stuff off and then we're gonna go out because we're in freaking Argentina, right?
Never get enough, 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 never get enough. Slow a little down is what you said. I'ma get it all up in my head. White t-shirt, blue jeans, I can never get enough of you. Bright sneakers on, getting ready for a flashback. Time keeps moving on, looking at you feeling like I could never get enough of you. And I could never get enough of you. I could never Time keeps moving on, looking at you feeling like I could never, like I could never get enough of you.
Alright you guys, I'm just getting back to the hotel after a long night and y'all are getting an iPhone video because I'm tired and my camera is in my bag. My camera is in this bag right here, and you are gonna get my final thoughts on that as soon as I get back to Dallas. Right now, I just wanna say, I just had one of the best meals of my entire life. Filet mignon, one of the best cooks on it that I've ever experienced here in Buenos Aires. For, wait for it, guess how much? Are you over? Are you under? Are you right? Are you wrong? $10. $10 for the best steak I think I've ever had here in Buenos Aires. So if it's not on your bucket list, it needs to be on your bucket list. Do that. Right now, I'm going to pack because I gotta check out early in the morning and head out of here. Again, you'll get my final thoughts on the bag and maybe some wrap up on Buenos Aires as soon as I get back to Dallas. Cannot wait. You guys, Argentina was incredible. I've got to say, I am not a fan of 12-hour flights, but Buenos Aires, you made it very much so worth it. So, to get down to it, brass tacks, what did I think about this bag? I'm gonna be honest, when I got this thing, the main thing that I was worried about is not having any easy access to your camera at all. There's no easy way to, in under 30 seconds, reach in here and just grab your camera out. To get to anything in this bag that's actually important, you gotta turn the bag around, take it off, unzip this thing, and then there you go, you've got access to all of it there. So that was my biggest worry, was gonna be, man, how frustrating is that gonna be not to have quick, easy access to this bag? And I've gotta say, the easy access is something I would gladly sacrifice for my favorite feature about this bag, which is the security of it. It was really nice to finally use this thing in another country, not just in my own city, walking around on the weekends, and to know, regardless of what kind of neighborhood I wander into, or whether I'm on public transportation or whatever's going on, to know that I can just wear this thing on my bag and worry about where I'm going and not about whether or not people are able to kind of sneak into my backpack while I'm not paying attention and kind of pick important things out. In general, I only traveled with 2 lenses on this trip, but you've got room in this bag for at least 4. 1 attached to the camera and then 3 in the compartments inside of the bag. And honestly, the camera bag itself, the compartments where you have the camera, it's fully customizable. You can take out all of the little pockets and kind of rearrange that bag to fit whatever kind of setup or rig it is that you're traveling with. But I honestly think there's more than enough room in this bag. I did have a full tripod strapped to the bottom of it, and I was worried that that was going to be really cumbersome or that it would make the bag hard to set down, and it didn't at all. It was actually really great. So in terms of functionality, using this bag and getting around, the only thing that I've got to deduct points for is the easy access. So easily I'd give this bag an 8 out of 10. I was able to fit everything in it that I wanted to. I was able to access everything in it that I wanted to. Maybe not as quickly as you might want sometimes, but it's super secure, and that's really worth trading a little bit of the convenience for. To get to my favorite thing about this bag, my absolutely favorite thing about this bag, and that is this: as a photographer, as a videographer, the thing that frustrates me the most about these camera bags is, for lack of a better way to say it, they're ugly. I can't stand these bags where you've got all these straps hanging off of them, or they're just huge. They also look incredibly heavy. I want a bag that when we go somewhere and we're traveling, if I'm wandering down the street or if I'm standing in front of some incredible scenery or someone's catching a candid photo of me, I want the bag to look good. I want it all to look good. And this bag, man, it just looks good. I dig it. I went with the all black look because I'm just an all black kind of guy, but they've got, I think, 3 different colors on there. There's like a forest green and a gray one, and honestly, all of them just look great. There's a lot of really good looking backpacks on the market. There's a lot of really functional backpacks on the market, but I think this is the only one I found that really looks good and is also super functional. So overall, 8 out of 10 functionality, 10 out of 10 look overall for the bag. I give it a 9 out of 10. I love this bag, and I plan on using it for a very long time. So I'll make sure in the description of this video to include links to all of the gear that I took with me to Argentina. Everything from the bag to the camera, the tripod, the microphones, the lenses, all the way down to the music that I used to make this video, in case any of y'all are interested in that. If I didn't answer your questions, just drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer those for you. So yeah, I appreciate you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope wherever you are, you're having a great day and you're enjoying some tacos.
I can never get enough of you, and I can never get